Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I told you I was coming back with a dramatic look for Valentine's Day, and here it is. I stayed away from the reds and the pink and the obvious Valentine's Day colors, and I went with something a little bit more on the peachy kind of sorta orangey side. I don't know. I really like how it turned out, and I hope you guys do too. So if you want to know how to get this look, then please keep on watching. Okay, so I already did my brows. So you can see I used the Anastasia Dip Brow in Ebony. And then I just carved my eyebrows out with the MAC concealer. And I use the shade there. I think this is NW35. And that's that. I'm actually going to use that concealer as my eyelid primer too. Okay, I'm gonna jump right on in. I'm gonna take the color Universal from the Morphe palette, this one there. I'm gonna set my entire eye with this. I know it's a little dark, but that's okay because we're using pretty dark colors and everything will blend out together. Next, I'm gonna go in with this shade here. I think this is called Flux. That one there. And this is going to go in my crease as a transition color. So right in the crease, I'm going to kind of wing it out a little bit too. I don't ever... Why are you guys crooked? If this tripod moves one more time, it keeps moving. Okay, next I'm going to go in with the color... I'm going to go with this one. This is the color Rich. That one there. With a smaller brush. And this is going to go in the outer corner. Just concentrate that right in the outer corner. If you guys are new to my channel, I have a scar here. Fell out the window when I was younger. And, long story. And that area there, just don't take products, no matter how much I try to blend it on there, so it just usually just leave like a little white cast. Okay, I'm also going to bring this in my inner corner, and then I'm going to connect that with whatever's left on my brush. I'll let them go like this. I want most of the pigment right on the outer and inner corner. I'm just going to work on this one eye for the sake of time and recording. I'm going to go in with a smaller brush now, and I'm going to take the color Muddy. This is really dark brown there. I'm just going to overlap it right on top, just to darken that outer and inner crease out. Sorry I sound a little low energy. I just woke up. It's pretty early in the morning right now, and I'm also trying to be quiet because everybody else is sleeping in my house. So sorry for the raspy voice. Oh, this is looking good. Yeah. And I don't think I'm going to connect this one. Just leave that open. I'm going with that fluffy brush and kind of blend out my edges. Okay, I'm going to go in with this concealer here and the lightest shade in there, which is the, I think it's NC25. I'm kind of carving out. You see how we blended it, and then you can actually see where your crease is. That's where I'm going to put my concealer. Blend it down. Good. That was pretty easy. I am going to take this. I'm going to take this orange color here. This is called Sauce. This one here. It's like a shimmery orange. Wow. And then I'm going to feather out the edges so that it's blended. Okay, it's a little too orange for me, so I'm going to go in with this gold color there. Okay. And then I'm going to go back in with that color Muddy again. Leave that right in there. I'm going to go in with the color Pure again. And that's going to be my highlight. Yo, ignore all of this, by the way. Just ignore it. It's just that time. I've been graying since I was 9 years old, so this is like pretty genetic for me. Pretty genetic. Okay, with a pencil brush in that color Muddy again. It's gonna clean up the inner corner. Alright. To pull the look together, I'm gonna go in with an eyeliner. This is the L'Oreal Infallible. The concentration is real. Okay, for the bottom lash line, I'm gonna go in with my pencil brush and that color Rich. And this is gonna go right. Really smoking that out. And then right underneath of it, I'm gonna take the color Universal, which was the first shade that we used, and basically blend it up. And then with the L'Oreal Paris Carbon Black Intense. What is this anyway? A liquid pencil eyeliner. That goes right in my waterline. And I'm going to drag it down just a tiny bit. Going back in with the pencil brush again and that color Rich. Okay, so for eyelash, I'm wearing the style Baddie. You guys in my last video have been asking me what lashes I was wearing in that video. It's the style Belize, and it's from a local retailer, I guess you want to call her that. I don't know. She hand makes these and she sells them. They're faux mink. I'll leave her contact info down below if you're interested. She does ship. She's here from Philly, but she does ship. But the style I'm wearing today is called Baddie. Okay, so while my glue is dry, I'm going to go ahead and prep my lashes with some mascara. I know I look crazy, y'all, but everything will come together. Somebody's car alarm is going off. Okay, I'm gonna finish this eye and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. My eyes are done. Let's move on to the face. I already, primed my face with the Milk Makeup Blur Stick. However, for this part of the video, I'm actually just gonna fast forward. It's the exact same product that I used in my last video. I'll also link everything down below, just to save some time because this eye makeup already took up like 10 minutes, so. We're done. This is the final look. I hope you guys like it. I really like it. I don't know if I'm gonna keep it on because I'm just having a family event today and I just want to be comfortable, you know. I don't want to be like, what are you wearing? Dog hair. I don't know if I'm gonna keep it on. I really like this look. I hope you guys do too. I think the lip is a little bit too glossy for me, but for the most part. Anyways, I hope you guys like this tutorial. I hope you try it, and if you do, please tag me on Instagram. My handle is always down below. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.